What's going on, guys? Today's Wednesday. Right now I'm gonna go run some errands. I'm gonna take the Civic today to work because work has been really dead because it's summertime, and in the summertime like all the Jews and stuff, they go away for vacation. They go to like Disney World and stuff like that. So work has been really quiet. Haven't driven a Civic in a long time. That's why my battery has been dead. I just put the battery pack to it yesterday and let it run, so should turn on today with no problem. Yeah, no problem at all. I know I need a battery. Yes, I know I need a battery, but one of the reasons that the car wasn't starting was, think about it, I didn't start the car in probably like a whole week and some change probably. So whenever I don't turn the car on for a long time, this usually always happens. And you gotta remember, the battery's not brand new, so you know, it's a little old. You know, battery's still good though. But yeah, so what's gonna happen today is I gotta run some errands. Julio's gonna come over because, as you guys know, his car is in my house. So he's gonna put a traction bar on, and I'm just gonna basically give him the camera. He's basically gonna vlog him installing the traction bar. I can't help him or anything because I'll be at work. Hopefully I'll get out of work early and probably vlog a little bit more because we still gotta move all the cars. We gotta move the cars around anyway because tomorrow is 4th of July. So I'm gonna be putting my Civic in the back and the Jeep, and Julio's gonna put his Civic right here in the front. I have no plates, so we're gonna put it right here in front of my house. All my family members are gonna come over, so we gotta move all of this around. And like I said, so I'm gonna leave him my camera, my tools for my Civic. Hopefully I don't need the tools today. I pray to God I don't need these tools today. I'm just gonna leave him my tools and the camera. And yeah, basically when he comes, he's gonna pick up the camera, vlog the traction bar install. I think it's a Ktuned traction bar. And yeah, I guess see what else we get into. But for right now, it's like 9 o'clock in the morning. I have to head to the mall, do some errands, and then go to work. So should be a pretty fun day. Sorry I can't take you guys with me. Alrighty, so toolbox out. I'm not too sure if he's gonna need my other wrenches also, so I guess I'll probably just leave him with my wrenches also. Yeah, I feel like he might need my wrenches also. Yeah, I guess I'll leave him some wrenches and stuff also. Ready? Let's open this bad boy up. Wrenches, just in case he needs them. Julio, you steal my tools, I'll kill your ass. Toolbox in here also. Yo, every time I get in this car, it smells like Puerto Rico. Like if you guys are Puerto Rican or ever been to like Puerto Rico or something like that, I don't know what it smells like. Dude, the smell of this car is just, I don't know, it smells like Puerto Rico to me, like a Puerto Rico car. It smells so good. But yeah, so I left that. As you can see, he has my jack here. Basically, he has everything he has. And he has all the space also here. Like I told you guys, we moved the car, so we have all this space. The Jeep's there. Later on when I come home, we're gonna just move all of this. So yeah, then he has everything he needs. So Julio, take over, my brother.
What's going on, everybody? Starting this off a little different today. Finally got the last piece of the puzzle, the traction bar. Gonna put it on today. Little Ktuned. It's like brand used, not too crazy, you know what I'm saying? But got the car jacked up already, as you can see. You know, don't play no games, gotta get to it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna dive right into this, do this real quick. Probably set up the camera and show you a little way of putting on the traction bar. Alright guys, first things first, I'm going to take everything apart. All the screws and everything, make sure the bar is loose because I don't know what car it came off of, how it was mounted or whatever, so it's not gonna mount straight up. So I'm gonna have to take everything apart, make sure everything's loose, that way I can play with the adjustments and everything and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then yeah, I'm gonna show you how to put it on. Alright, I got the main bolts loose right now. It was a little struggle, so I had to put the camera down. I had to step on it, hit it with a vice grip, try to stomp it out just to get it loose. It was pretty tight, so now I'm going to take off every bolt here and show you the process. I have this here. I gotta step on it again. Alright, as y'all can tell, guys, it is pretty hot. It's about like 86 degrees, but it's very sunny and humid at the same time. So I am dying right now. So yeah, took off everything already. Everything's done. Now, let's put it on. Final piece of the puzzle. Alright guys, well this is how far I got now. Took off the 14s and it had this little tow hook thing right here. Left that one on because I was pulling the car before. Got that on. Got this side on with 2 bolts for now. And check this out. It has little tabs, holes for my radiator to sit. Pretty awesome. So now my radiator is gonna sit nice and tight. I'm not gonna move nowhere. These bolts was a little hard to take out from the control arm. I have to take out this one and this one. I had to use this like this, and I use this for leverage just to crack it loose, you know, little hood rig stuff. But yeah, I'm going to start putting on the bars and put on the rest of the traction bar right now. See all that corrosion, all that water? That's why these bolts be hard to take out sometimes. Stuck in there. Still hard. Just the right way. Alright, no. Find out then. See where we That was crazy. Steven gave me this to use it, right? I'm not using it. I'm so used to using ratchets. I don't know why. I'm going to grab this pole with the bolt. The bolts. Cool thing about this traction bar, it doesn't come with extra washers. It's already like built into the bearing. That's pretty cool. All I gotta do is slide a bolt underneath. Now I can adjust my length. Voila. I know you can't see right now. I didn't move the camera. The other bolt on. Let me show ya. Trying to get this in there now. I'll be back. Alright, got it. With a little finessing, you know. Can't use just one hand for a two-hand job. But now she's in. She's all loose and stuff. I'm going to put the last bolts on for there. It's supposed to be 3. And I'm going to put the other bar on this side and adjust it. Alright, traction bar is on. Nice and tight. She ain't going nowhere. Now to adjust the arms. Alright, she's nice and tight mounted. Now to adjust the arms, make sure you know, there's a little tension on it already before you actually tighten it. Do little turns. Make sure she's nice and tight. And then lock her up. And the reason why you tighten this so you won't have no motion in your arms. When your car's either launching or you're doing pulls or whatever, your arms on your wheels are not going to move side to side. This is going to hold it nice and tight. So traction bars are really good to have. Yep, she's nice and tight. Oops, I didn't even do this one yet. There we go. Lock her up. And we should be done. I'm gonna lock these up right now. She's all done. This brand used traction bar is good. Not too sure what is this for, but anybody knows, let me know. I need to know. But she done, guys. She is done. Now the last thing to do is wheel alignment now. I'll probably be doing that sometimes next week because we all know 4th of July is coming, so it's a lot that's gonna go on this weekend. So yeah, by the end of the week I have the wheel alignment done and insurance should soon be on. Still working on that, saving up a little money here and there, whatever. But yeah, that's it for now until Mr. Steven comes. Waiting for him now. He's working, so yep. I'm gonna jack her down and just probably clean up a little bit. It's real hot, and it's about to rain soon too. So alrighty, guys, peace. Oh yeah, and first time ever vlogging. So if y'all gonna come at me, y'all can come at me. I do read every single comment. But if y'all think I'm doing okay, just let me know, you know what I mean? Trying something new, you know? Trying to experiment more, talk more, you know? Just show the world what I know, basically. Show y'all what I know. And, oh, I just can't wait to drive this car, man. I just can't wait. I can't wait. Ooh. And then when I put the side skirts and the lip on, do what I really want to do to her after she's done, she's going to look amazing. Amazing. Yep. Alright guys, so I'm back home. Nothing. I'm about to move Julio's car. I don't know what he vlogged. I'm pretty sure it was funny. So now Julio's having issues with his battery. His positive terminal is loose, so as you guys can see, it doesn't do anything. So now we gotta check it out. I found out it was background, but this bitch is loud.
let her warm up for a little bit. Then we're gonna pull her out. But you gotta tune it. This is my first time driving a Hula's car with a twin disc. This bitch is loud. This shit is loud.
Just like that.
Traction bar looking clean, brand new. K-tuned one. We just gotta put a bracket. I don't know how much will this have. We're gonna put a bracket here. That's your car? Okay. Yeah, so bye-bye. See you later. Yeah, so we move Hula's car. Hula's car is here. She's almost, well, she's ready. She's done. Tuned. That's it. We're good to go. She could drive like this, but still gotta put some wheels on. Did you show them the wheels?
Nah.
So Hula got some wheels back here. You guys can see. So we got some black slips. Gotta change those tires, the front ones. He has 2 slips right there, but you can use that some spares. But yeah, you gotta put some tires, balance on, and that's it. The car's good to go. Still gotta do a little bit of things like clean the bay a little bit more. But the car was in the back, so we couldn't really do much. So maybe this week we'll do more work to this. What do you think? Saturday early in the morning we could do something. I gotta go somewhere in the afternoon, but I'll be up by 9. We could clean the bay, and yeah, that'd be great. We could clean the bay, do what we gotta do. Yeah, it should be fun. I was gonna do my camera kits, but I don't really need to do them that bad. We could just do this. Clean this up. So I'll see you guys on Sunday. Yo guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.